Hey guys, we received this KuaiLu men's yoga mat, leather flip-flops, Thong sandal with the arch support. It's a brown color, and let me just open it and show it to you. So these are like really nice leather strips on the top, and the soft cushion, durable, non-slip sole, and you can see the thick support and the soft cushion, the nice arc here, and the bands with the soft cushion on the back. So this is a really a nice quality as I can feel it here. And also like the nice straps. This is a non-pinching one in the middle, and in the feet also it's comfortable and have the full support on the side and the back. So overall a nice slipper or the flip-flops.